this is Ben from Houlton Powersports and RV Center. I want to take you on a quick tour of a Bullitt 29 RKPR Premier. We actually are just getting out of a show this weekend, and this Bullitt was the spotlight. I've got a lot of excited people about it, and I'm going to show you a few features that I think you're going to find pretty interesting. First, on the front of the camper, they've got a new 5-point leveling system. Everything's controlled here from this jack station. We've got electric tongue jack as well as 4-point leveling on the unit itself, each corner, all controlled from the front stabilizing unit. That's a feature that you're getting now on all the Bullitt Premiers. You'll also notice some nice LED lighting in the front cap, and of course take a look at Bullitt's front cap. Premier has a very aerodynamic one-piece fiberglass cap. Looks beautiful, pulls great, feels good going down the road, and of course it looks great when you pull from the campground as well. You step around to the side, you'll notice another a very simple feature that Bullitt started doing this year, but extremely functional, is the pegboard inside of the storage compartment. Making use of that space is typically wasted space, just a wall that you can't do anything with. Now you can hang some stuff on it, use it for whatever you need. Of course, I'll point out, Bullitt always does the slam baggage compartments on all of their exterior doors, as well as the magnetic catches to hold the door in place when you're using it. Step aside a little bit, you'll see, of course, the large electric awning. LED light strip up in the awning as well. Bullitt is running the new low-ride fold-out steps. Very stable, secure steps. They're great to have. A lot of manufacturers are starting to use those now. Bullitt's been using them for a little while. You'll see they've also got what's called a wide track suspension here, with the axles separated from one another. That creates a much better towing. The trailer itself tows much better going down the road, cuts out a lot of the sway. So you'll notice a big improvement on towing. If you've got a camper now that doesn't have that spread axle, it definitely is it's a nice upgrade. A lot of big windows on the side of this 29 Arcade. You'll also notice this has a small outside kitchen, prep sink, countertop, a 110 electric refrigerator. This is a rear kitchen floor plan, so it's a couple's coach with a small outside kitchen. Outside kitchens with a couple's coach, but Bullitt did manage to put it into their 29 RK. So as you can see, beautiful camper, great graphics, great color. They've done a lot of nice things on the exterior of the camper, but what's made most people excited is what took place inside this year for Bullitt. Brand new for this year, so come on in, we'll take a look. Alright, so we're inside of the Bullitt Premier 29 RKPR. Like I said, this thing has been a showstopper this weekend for us, and this is the big reason why. Bullitt has always made a great product. We've always done very well selling it. But this year, they've gone with a new interior color. As you can see, in the picture, it kind of looks white, but it's almost a grayish interior color. Very light, brightens it up. So far, everyone that's seen it has absolutely loved this. A few other features that Bullitt's now doing inside of their campers. You've got all Furrion appliances. State-of-the-art, top-of-the-line appliances, stove, range, top. With the large 8 cubic foot fridge and freezer. The rear kitchen is always a popular floor plan anyway, just because of the amount of space it gives you with the countertops, the storage, the cabinets, overhead. There's just a lot of storage, a lot of space, very open feeling. If you're someone that likes to entertain, have other couples over, you've got space. You can be working in the kitchen while people are hanging out in the living room and just really be comfortable in here. You'll notice that this one came featured with the freestanding table and chairs. You can get this with the booth dinette. And you've got the large leather sofa that is also a tri-fold sleeper sofa. That pulls out into a full-size bed. Entertainment centers to the front with the CD, DVD, MP3, USB, Bluetooth, all the stereo built in one, television. And probably one of the best features of this layout that most people love are the 2 leather recliners with the large bay window. So right now, of course, we're inside of the show arena, but when this is outside, it really brightens up with all the glass and all the lights. A lot of very nice decorative glass in some of the cabinets, out back in the pantry, the overheads. Very, very sharp, very modern looking. A lot of storage. Like I said, this color, people have just absolutely loved it. Bullitt does LED lights all the way throughout. You've got the curved linear ceiling as well. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but if you look at it from the outside and the inside, the ceiling has a curve to it. Makes it feel larger on the inside, helps with runoff of the water on the exterior. All vacuum bonded sidewalls. Just a great built product. We'll take a little walk up front. Bring you into the bathroom. Bathroom can be entered from the living area or the bedroom as well. You've got the corner neo-angle shower, medicine cabinet, sink, toilet. And then all the way up front, you've got the master bedroom. We've got a flip-up bed with storage below. You've got cabinets on both sides. There's shirt closets on each side of the bed. Overhead closets. Of course, you got your nightstands below and a laundry chute on that side. Full TV hookup in here. Just again, this is a large couples coach. Great setup. Very comfortable, high quality. It's a beautiful camper. If you swing right around and follow me this way, you can go through the second entrance to the bedroom. So a Bullet Premier. It's a 29 RK. We've actually sold a few of these just this weekend from our show, but we've got more coming. So they're very popular. Get a chance, give us a call, check it out, maybe swing up to the shop and see one if we've got one hanging around. Like I said, we do have some more on order. Just a beautiful camper. So I appreciate you checking it out. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, Houlton Powersports and RV Center.